loves, welcome back to Postcards Texas. My name is Hannah, and today we're going to be talking about pet. Let's see. Hey, Oreo. Today we're going to be talking about pet-friendly ways to get around town. So, yeah, how we're going to take this little boy to the park and stuff. Yeah, like my face. First things first, we have MTR, and I guess we can put light rail in there with it. Those two things are not pet friendly, but I've seen some people smuggle their pets on in a little carrier, so, but I don't think I could smuggle this boy on, he's too big. Yeah. Alright, also bus and minibus. You cannot take your dog or anything like on any of those. I don't know why, you just can't, so yeah. I guess they're worried about them pooing and peeing everywhere or freaking out, I don't know. But yeah, the only modes of transportation that you can use are taxi and ferry, and we also have paid go-go van and Lala Move. So for taxi, use Hail Taxi, have your dog jump in, they charge you a little bit of a fee for taking a pet with you to your location, but that's literally the easiest way to get around. Like if you're going to one of the islands, you can take your dog with you on the ferry. So all you need to do is put a little muzzle on him, and then they let you on with him. So yeah. Because they don't want the dog biting other passengers and things. It's just a precaution. It's not saying your dog's a bad person or whatever, but yeah. And then there's Go-Go Van and Lala Move is like a moving service, but you can also use them to transport your dog places. And there's I'll put the apps at the bottom for you to look at. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please give us a big like, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we will see you next time. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.